Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update Nintendo Switch 2 software. To do it, go to the settings. Now, scroll all the way down to System, find System Update, and now it will start checking for system updates. You can see that my system is up to date, but if yours is not, you'll be able to update it here. Now you can also find dock update, but I need to first dock it, so I'm gonna do that in a second. But before that, also in controllers and accessories, you'll find update controllers. And if your controllers are connected, plugged in, then you can click on update controllers. Mine are already up to date, but if yours are not, it will start updating it. Now I'm gonna get back to you in a moment with the dock. Okay, so once you put your device in a dock, of course I can't really show you that right now because I'll need to connect it to a TV. The dock has to be connected to a TV. So put the device in, then you can attach the Joy-Cons, and technically on your TV you should be able to go to the settings and select dock update. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.